What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So first Eminence car cruise of the year, and this is our second show I think that I've been to. Sorry about the inactivity. Been doing a lot with the training and stuff, and not been too many car shows going on, but we are headed to the Eminence car cruise. My buddy at work, Dustin, told me about it. He's like, hey, you coming tonight? I was like, oh, kind of forgot about that, but it's all good. So I think Christian's gonna be there. Not sure if he's gonna be in the Camaro. I told him to take it. Been telling him all day to take it. He's like, oh, I don't want it to break down. I was like, who cares? Just take it anyways. So start at 5. We're gonna try and get there at like 7 or so. Hopefully it'll be a really good meet. We'll get this video together for you guys. So see y'all when I get there. All right, guys. So we are here at the meet. It's like semi-fat. There's not many people where I'm parked at right now, which is by the gas station, but like towards the entrance and CVS and stuff, there are quite a few cars there. So I'm gonna go ahead and walk in that direction. I'm gonna see if I can find anything good. Catch y'all out there. See if I can find Christian too. I don't know if he's here yet or not. Stay tuned. Definitely like that thing. Ooh, buddy. Nice clean truck here. Fuck with it. Alright guys, so we already saw that very nice Cuda as soon as we walked out. So I'm already walked all the way over to CVS. See some pretty cool cars already. I'm about to go check it out. Show y'all what I find. Nice truck too. Already found this very nice Camaro. I really dig this. Matte green. A little bit of bike action too, like in the lights. Nice looking El Camino here. Nice XJ with the fucking bed liner. Like that bike paint job. I love this fucking blue on this thing. Damn, this thing is low.
did the same thing. That's if I could get that motherfucker to hook.
All right, guys, so we found Justin. We both just took a ride in Casey's Magnum, and I had these people. It was a nice truck. I had these people just drive by in a fucking car and shouted out the window, and they were like, "I saw your shirt. I want to be on YouTube." I was like, "What the fuck?" I was like, "All right, come back here. I'll put you on the channel." So we're about to walk down here and see if we can find him and get him put on this channel here. Alright guys, well overall this was a pretty good first turnout of the year. There were a lot of cool cars here. We got to get a ride in the Magnum. We did a little cruising around, got some pulls, some wild stuff, getting crazy with Justin and Casey. And then they had a cool live band too, which I stayed for about an hour and listened to some music. Got some footage of that too. Really good band. I'll put their stuff in the bio so y'all can check them out. So that being said, I will see you all in the next one. I'm about to head home and go fuck to sleep. So peace out.